Are you craving the perfect tea time treat? Imagine a moist, fluffy loaf cake with vibrant, colorful fruits in every slice. In today's video, I am sharing the ultimate recipe that's so good it will become your new obsession. In another large bowl, sieve all the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. Mix them all with a spoon and sieve the ingredients to the bowl. Repeat the sieve twice more. Carefully separate egg yolks and egg whites. Place egg whites in a clean, dry and grease-free metal bowl. Use a fork to lightly beat the yolks until yolks are broken up. With an electric mixer, beat egg whites to medium speed until soft spears form. Then beat on high speed until stiff peaks are formed. It will take 4 to 5 minutes. In another mixing bowl, add unsalted butter, powdered sugar and vanilla essence. With an electric mixer, beat butter and sugar. Cream on medium-high speed until pale, light and fluffy for about 5 minutes. Now add the egg yolk mixture and beat on medium speed until fully incorporated. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now beat until all the ingredients are well combined. The batter should be light and fluffy. Add cream cheese and beat all the batter together until well combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and bring all the batter together. Now add the flour mixture in 3 batches. Mix them by cut and fold method. Gently mix until well combined. The cake batter has to be smooth and lump-free. Do not overmix. In a small bowl, I have taken candied fruits. I am adding 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix well and keep it aside. Add the remaining flour to the batter. Mix well. Now add water and mix the batter slowly. Add lemon juice and candied dry fruits. Scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure all the dry ingredients are incorporated. There should not be any streaks of flour in the batter. Finally, fold in the egg white meringue in 3 batches, gently until just incorporated. Scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure the meringue is fully incorporated. Don't stir the batter too hard because you don't want to knock out the air in the batter. Just combine all the ingredients. I'm using loaf pan over here. I've greased with butter and lined with parchment paper. Now gently transfer the batter to the prepared cake tin. Tap the pan on the countertop a few times so that extra air bubbles are released. Test the cake with a toothpick. Ideally, you can see few moist crumbs. Do not overbake this cake or it will be dry. Allow cake to cool at least 20 minutes. Carefully invert cake on a cooling rack and allow to cool completely before serving. The top of the cake should be golden brown and spring back when lightly pressed. Once the cake is cooled completely, slice and enjoy the candied fruit cake with a cup of tea or coffee. This cake is perfect for festival occasions or as a delightful everyday treat. Store the cool cake in an airtight container. Guys, if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.